Fujitsu General Multi-Systems are an ideal air conditioning solution to achieve whole home comfort where a standard ducted installation may not be possible. Multi-system solutions allow up to 6 indoor units to be connected to one compact outdoor unit, ideal for saving space. They offer greater flexibility in selecting the right unit to suit each room's needs and their available space. The range includes wall-mounted, floor and ceiling consoles, along with cassette units to suit each room. Each indoor unit can be independently temperature controlled using individual remotes to provide indoor comfort when and where it's needed. Or each indoor unit can be controlled simultaneously with the optional large backlit LCD central controller. The 4-way navigation pad enables control and monitoring of features such as economy mode, remote control prohibition, or low noise mode settings from one central point. Operation via the remote control helps manage energy costs with temperature, air movement and timer operation, all able to be programmed. Get whole home comfort with Fujitsu Multi System solutions.